Imagine pretending to be an airline pilot, a doctor, and a lawyer, all before the age of 21. No degree, no license, no experience, just pure confidence. This is the story of the most successful con artist in history, Frank Abagnale Jr. grew up in New York in the 1950s. His parents divorced when he was 16, and something inside him snapped. He had no money, no future, no plan, but he had one extraordinary gift, the ability to make anyone believe anything. He started small, overdrafting his father's gas card, lying about his age, but soon the cons become breathtaking in scale. The pilot. Aged 16-year-old Frank walked into a Pan Am airline office in a pilot uniform he had faked using a mail order custom-made kit. He told them he had lost his ID. They gave him a new one. For 2 years, he flew over 1 million miles across 26 countries completely free. Did heading on Pan Am flights as a pillow pilot, he charmed flight crew, stayed in luxurious hotel, and lived like a king. He never once flew a plane. The doctor, bored of flying, Frank reinvited himself again, this time as Dr. Frank Connors, a pediatrician in Gorgio. He forged a hard medical degree, talked his way into a hospital supervisor role, and for 11 months he surprised medical staff, learning on the job, delegating complex tasks to real doctors, and somehow never killing anyone. When a real doctor grew suspicious, Frank vanished overnight. The Liar. Next stop, Lausian Frank forgot a law degree from Harvard and passed the Lausian bar exam on his third attempt. Legitimately, he worked as an attorney general office assistant for nearly a year before a Harvard alumni colleague grew suspicious about his background. Once again, Frank disappeared. The check running through all of these was Frank's greatest con, check fraud. He estimated he cashed over $2.5 million in fraudulent checks across 26 countries. He would print fake checks, alter routing numbers, and deposit them before banks catch on. He was so good that the FBI eventually hired him to teach them how he did it. The capture in 1969, a French flight attendant recognized Frank from an Interpol poster. He was arrested, extradited, and eventually sentenced to 12 years in US federal prison. He served less than five. The FBI made him a deal. Help us catch forgers and fraudsters, and we'll let you go. He said yes. Legacy. Frank A. Bagnall's life was turned into the iconic 2002 Spielberg film Catch Me If You Can, starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Tom Hanks. He went on to become one of the world's leading fraud prevention consultants, working with the FBI for decades and building a multi-million-dollar career. This time, legitimately, the easiest thing I ever did was con people. The hardest thing I ever did was stop. Frank Abagnale Jr. Frank Abagnale did not have a college degree, a pilot license, or a medical certificate. All he had was confidence, and that was enough to fool the entire world. What does that say about trust, about identity, about how easily we believe what we want to believe? Like and subscribe for more insane true story every week. Bye bye. See you in next video.